The compression ratio calculator determines the compression ratio of an engine based on cylinder and chamber dimensions. Let's examine each input field. First, we have bore diameter, where you enter the cylinder bore in inches. Next is stroke length, the piston's travel distance in inches. Then we input chamber volume, the combustion chamber volume in cubic centimeters. Finally, head gasket thickness is entered in inches. For this demonstration, I'll use these values. Bore diameter equals 4.0 inches. Stroke length equals 3.5 inches. Chamber volume equals 45.0 cubic centimeters. And head gasket thickness equals 0.040 inches. After clicking Calculate Compression Ratio, we receive three results. The swept volume shows 720.74 cc, which represents the cylinder's displacement volume. The total volume displays 773.98 cc, combining the swept volume with the chamber volume and gasket volume. Most importantly, the compression ratio reads 14.54 to 1, indicating this engine compresses the air-fuel mixture to about 1/15 of its original volume. This high ratio suggests a performance or diesel engine configuration. This calculator streamlines engine design calculations for optimal performance specifications. Find the link in the description below.